What if I told you that while everyone's chasing NVIDIA and Microsoft, there are two under-the-radar technology stocks trading for less than $5 that could potentially explode in the AI revolution? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, and if you're new here, this channel is all about uncovering hidden investment opportunities that Wall Street isn't talking about. Today, we're diving into two AI and tech penny stocks flying completely under the radar. Before we start, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Let's get into it. Let me be transparent. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. Penny stocks are risky, they're volatile, and you can lose money fast. But for investors who understand the risks and want speculative growth positions, the rewards can be massive. Do your research, never invest what you can't lose, and keep these as small positions in a diversified portfolio. We're living through a technological revolution. The AI market is exploding toward $1 trillion by 2030. Smart cities, security systems, 5G networks, and IoT solutions are being deployed everywhere. The companies delivering practical AI applications in high-demand sectors are positioned for incredible growth. Let's talk about AI in security and surveillance. This market is going crazy right now. Governments, businesses, schools, and public spaces are racing to implement intelligent video systems that detect threats, analyze behavior, and respond in real time. Traditional cameras just record. AI-powered systems understand what they're seeing. They identify weapons, recognize faces, read license plates, and alert security instantly. Smart city initiatives globally are creating a multi-billion-dollar opportunity most investors are missing. Our first company dominates this space. I'm talking about Aveda Solutions, ticker IVDA. You've probably never heard of them, and that's why this opportunity exists. Aveda specializes in cloud-based AI video surveillance and smart sensor technology. They're not selling cameras. They're providing intelligent platforms that transform video into actionable intelligence. Their tech detects firearms in real time, critical for schools and venues. Their facial recognition and license plate systems are deployed by law enforcement. Their smart city solutions are winning government contracts internationally. Let's hit the numbers. Recent quarter, Aveda generated approximately $1.8 million in revenue, showing strong acceleration. Year-over-year growth is impressive, transitioning to higher margin recurring software revenue. Gross margins around 60%, phenomenal for tech. They're approaching $10 million annual revenue with accelerating growth. They have $2.5 million in working capital and reduced cash burn significantly. With 145 million shares outstanding, market cap sits around $35 to $40 million. Incredibly tiny for this technology and momentum. What makes Aveda special are partnerships. Smart city contracts with Taiwan government agencies, working with U.S. law enforcement on gun detection, established subsidiary in Japan, one of the world's most advanced markets. Collaboration with Taiwan on smart pole technology proves they win government contracts providing stable revenue. Moving into semiconductor facility security for chip manufacturers, booming given global semiconductor demand. CEO David Lai has 20 years in this industry with deep Asia and North America relationships. They opened an AI experience center in Arizona, generating serious enterprise and government interest. Technically, IVDA has been consolidating after a big run. Stock moves on volume when news drops. Multiple catalysts ahead, including new contracts, revenue growth, potential NASDAQ uplisting, high risk, high reward. If Aveda executes, this stock could multiply several times. But it's volatile, so position sizing is critical. Now our second opportunity will surprise you. It's a name you know, but Wall Street abandoned. I'm talking Nokia Corporation, ticker NOK. Yes, that Nokia. But here's what investors miss. Nokia isn't a phone company anymore. They've transformed into a telecommunications infrastructure powerhouse, leading the global 5G build-out. Stock trades around $4 to $5, absurdly cheap for what this company is. Nokia is one of only 3 major 5G equipment providers globally with Ericsson and Huawei. With Western countries banning Huawei for security, Nokia and Ericsson capture massive share in a $1 trillion infrastructure build-out. Nokia provides radio networks, core infrastructure, optical systems, and software powering modern telecommunications. Every time you use your phone, there's strong chance you're connected through Nokia equipment. They operate in over 130 countries, critical to global connectivity. Let's break down financials. Q3 2024, Nokia generated approximately $4.7 billion revenue. First 9 months 2024, roughly $17 billion in sales. Revenue flat, which is why markets ignored them. But here's the key. Nokia is in massive transformation, and 2025 setup is exceptional. Q3 operating profit over 400 million euros, with 9.5% margins. Profitable company generating serious cash flow. Their segments tell the story. Network infrastructure generated over 5 billion euros in 9 months. Mobile networks, the 5G business, faced near-term headwinds as carriers paused spending, but this is cyclical and reversing. Cloud and network services brought 2.5 billion with high margins and recurring revenue. Nokia Technologies, their patent licensing generated $1.4 billion with over 80% margins. That's pure profit licensing their massive patent portfolio to smartphone makers. Nokia's balance sheet is fortress strong. 3.3 billion euros net cash, billions after subtracting all debt, generated 700 million euros free cash flow in 9 months, targeting over $1 billion for a full year. They pay dividend yielding 4 to 5%, providing income and downside protection. Market cap around 25 billion. Nokia trades less than 1.5 times sales and roughly 10 to 12 times forward earnings. For critical technology infrastructure, that's ridiculously cheap. Partnerships make Nokia's future bright. Major 5G contracts with AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, primary equipment providers for these networks. Internationally, multi-billion-dollar deal with Bharti Airtel in India, fastest growing telecom market. Aggressively expanding private 5G networks for enterprises, deploying dedicated wireless for manufacturing, logistics, industrial facilities. This market is exploding. Nokia partners with Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud for edge computing. Submarine cable tech powers undersea data transmission globally, investing 4 to 4.5 billion euros annually in R&D, positioning them for 6G technology and AI-powered network optimization. Loaded with catalysts, guided for return to growth in 2025 as telecom spending turns positive. Major carriers increasing network upgrade budgets, private 5G adoption accelerating. Fixed wireless access using 5G for home internet, seeing explosive growth. Nokia is key provider. Speculation about strategic restructuring or acquisition target given cheap valuation. Technically, Nokia built multi-year base between $3 and $5. Consolidation with improving fundamentals often precedes major breakouts. Why are these cheap? Evada's too small for institutions, not well known, penny stocks overlooked. Too big to be startup, too small for major institutional money. Creates opportunity for fast investors. Nokia, market is backward looking, focusing on recent challenges. But 2025 set up dramatically better than priced today. These offer different profiles. Evada is high risk, high reward on AI security and smart cities with explosive potential if execution continues. Nokia is dramatically undervalued, giant offering value, dividend income, and growth optionality. Together, exposure to critical trends, artificial intelligence, 5G infrastructure, security, digitalization. Let me show you this infographic summarizing everything. First, Evada Solutions, ticker IVDA, under $2. High growth AI security play, 35 to 40 million market cap, 60% gross margins, accelerating revenue approaching 10 million annually. Key catalysts, smart city contracts, government partnerships, Taiwan and Japan, AI gun detection, potential NASDAQ uplisting, risk, high, reward, explosive multi-bagger potential. Second, Nokia Corporation, ticker NOK, $4 to $5. Undervalued 5G infrastructure giant, 25 billion market cap, 17 billion annual revenue, 3.3 billion net cash, 4 to 5% dividend. Key catalysts, 5G cycle recovery 2025, private enterprise networks, major carrier contracts, strategic restructuring, risk, moderate, reward, substantial upside with dividend downside protection. Recommendation, Evada as small speculative position if high risk tolerance. Nokia as larger value position for patient investors seeking undervalued tech with income. Both offer exposure to technology megatrends, still in early innings. Bottom line, two different AI and tech stocks, both under $5, both compelling for different investors. Evada gives high risk, high reward AI security and smart city exposure with explosive potential. Nokia gives undervalued global tech giant with value, dividend income, and growth catalysts Wall Street ignores. Together, diversified exposure to massive trends, AI, 5G infrastructure, security, digitalization. Opportunities are real, technology's proven, growth trajectories compelling, but risks equally real. Successful investing requires patience, disciplined position sizing, strong volatility tolerance. Never put entire portfolio into penny stocks. Consider these satellite positions. Set stop losses. Monitor quarterly reports. Have clear plans for taking profits and cutting losses. Do homework, understand what you're buying, invest intelligently based on personal risk tolerance. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell. Drop a comment with your thoughts on these stocks and other opportunities you're watching. I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we uncover more hidden investment gems. Until then, invest smart, stay disciplined, and keep hunting for opportunities others are missing.